Welcome to your ultimate guide to acing your practice manager interview. Whether you're stepping into a new role or leveling up in your career, we're here to help you shine. Let's dive right in with a question that gets to the heart of leadership: how you navigate challenging projects. Can you think of a time when you were at the helm of a team facing a tough project? This question helps interviewers understand your leadership style and how you handle pressure and teamwork during challenging times. Here are some key points to consider when crafting your response. Select a specific project that posed significant challenges. Clearly define your role and the team dynamics. Outline the strategies you use to tackle the obstacles. Highlight the results and key takeaways from the experience. Stay concise, focusing on your leadership skills. Let's look at an example of how you might answer this question.
In my previous role, we were tasked with implementing a new patient management system under a tight deadline. As the practice manager, I initiated weekly check-ins to track our progress and address any issues. I fostered open communication, encouraging team members to express concerns freely. We managed to launch the system a week ahead of schedule, demonstrating the power of collaboration under pressure.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for Practice Manager. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Tell me about a situation where you had to resolve a conflict between team members. This question is designed to assess your conflict resolution skills and your ability to maintain a harmonious team environment. Consider these tips to effectively structure your response. Identify the specific conflict and who was involved. Explain the steps you took to mediate and resolve the issue. Discuss the outcome of your actions and any lessons learned. Showcase your communication and mediation skills. Emphasize the importance of teamwork and collaboration. Here's how you might articulate your experience.
In my last role, a disagreement arose between two team members about the project's direction. I organized a meeting where each could express their viewpoints. By listening to both sides, I was able to propose a compromise that incorporated elements from both perspectives, leading to a more cohesive project plan and improved team collaboration.
Describe a scenario where you worked closely with a team to achieve a shared goal. This question evaluates your teamwork skills and your ability to collaborate effectively to reach a common goal. Here are some points to help you frame your answer. Choose a specific project or task you worked on. Highlight your role and contributions to the team. Discuss the team's goal and dynamics. Talk about the outcome and what you learned. Keep it concise, focusing on collaboration. Let's explore a sample response to illustrate this.
While working as a practice coordinator, my team and I had to implement a new patient management system. I led the effort by organizing meetings to gather input, set clear milestones, and support each other through training sessions. As a result, we completed the implementation ahead of schedule and increased patient satisfaction by 15%.
If you had a key staff member who was persistently late, how would you handle it? This question aims to gauge your team management skills and how you address performance issues. Consider these strategies when answering. Recognize the issue promptly to show its importance. Have a private conversation with the staff member to understand their perspective. Discuss the potential impacts on team dynamics and operations. Work together to find a solution or set clear expectations. Follow up to ensure progress and offer support if needed. Here's an example of how you could respond.
I would begin by having a private discussion with the staff member to understand the reasons behind their lateness. Then I would explain how it impacts the team and propose we work together to find a solution, perhaps by adjusting their start time if necessary. Regular follow-ups would be crucial to ensuring improvement and offering support as needed.
Imagine a patient comes to you with a complaint about substandard service. How would you address it? This question assesses your crisis management skills and your ability to handle customer complaints effectively. Here are some guidelines to shape your answer. Immediately acknowledge the patient's feelings and concerns. Calmly gather all details about the complaint. Offer a sincere apology for the inconvenience caused. Explain the steps you will take to resolve the issue. Ensure follow-up with the patient to confirm their satisfaction. Now, let's look at a way you might handle this situation.
I would first listen attentively to the patient, acknowledging their feelings and concerns. After gathering all necessary details, I would apologize sincerely for their experience and assure them of prompt action to resolve the issue. Following resolution, I would reach out to ensure they are satisfied with the outcome.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF, totally free. Just grab it below.